This is a post-mortem on a Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Animal Plus. I found it in the trash and somebody had already got to it and cut the cable off for the copper, which is disgusting. I spliced on a new cable, the suction worked fine. And then we turned on the powered roller here. One side worked fine, the other side didn't. So we pulled it apart and you can see here, here's the housing where the belt drive comes from the motor, and inside was this, which was broken. So what had happened was a bunch of hair or other stuff had kind of strangled one of the bearings and overheated it, and this bearing is now dead. It's completely stiff, and that bearing seizing up had caused this shaft to shear off, which meant that this rotor brush was not spinning. First of all, it's an Animal Plus. Shouldn't it be able to handle a bit of hair? Isn't that the whole point? That seems like a bit of a design flaw. Secondly, this part is not available from Dyson. The only part that's available that would have fixed this is the complete motor unit, which is this and this and this, including with this and the belt all fully assembled. That is now no longer available from Dyson, so that's not happening. You can get used ones of these on eBay, but that's not really worth it, I think, for the price. So this is now a dead Dyson, and that's totally a design flaw that happened, and I object to Dyson's shitty parts availability.